Hi everybody, welcome back to Easy Cheesy. I'm Joey and he's Remy and we're ready to show you the most delicious recipes online. Definitely, my favorite restaurant is Bubba Gump. Not only because it's related to Forrest Gump, which is an amazing movie, and they have all these themed things around the restaurants. They have the costumes, they have quotes, they have posters. The waiters are super fun. I really love Bubba Gump, but what I really like the most about it is the food. They serve the most scrumptious seafood recipes, and I'm a really big fan of seafood, especially calamari, octopus, shrimp, and all those things. So I really enjoy going to Bubba Gump every time that I can, which is unfortunately not as often as I would like. There are no Bubba Gumps where I live, so I am dreading this. But anyhow, that's why we decided to make a Bubba Gump inspired recipe. They don't actually serve this dish in Bubba Gump, but they have a similar rice with shrimp. It's like a mountain of rice with sauce, surrounding sauce and shrimp. But this is like a stir-fry rice. So let's begin. And after following all these steps, you got yourself a delicious Cajun shrimp and octopus rice. Look at this delicious thing, you guys. It looks so scrumptious. But beware, this is a Cajun recipe, so it's meant to be spicy. If you don't like spice, you can skip it, that's fine. Just don't add cayenne pepper and you should be fine. I think I mentioned it before, but I love shrimp. It's my favorite seafood. So I love to get in the shrimping business. just like Bubba. We can make shrimp soup, shrimp pasta, shrimp casserole, shrimp lasagna. We're doing that. Shrimp sandwich, that one's coming up, by the way. Shrimp pasta is too. Let us know in the comments if you want us to make any other shrimp recipes. Do you like shrimp, guys? Let us know as well. I mean, I know some people are seafood intolerant or allergic to seafood, so let us know. If you think this looks delicious and you want to eat it right now off the screen, don't forget to click on the little notifications bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we promise to keep making amazing cheese-inspired recipes. And remember, all you gotta say is cheese please, and we'll add a cheesy twist to any recipe that you like. Thank you so much once again. See you later. Bye-bye.
Hi there, good to see you back.
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and follow Easy Cheesy.
The cheesiest teamed recipes ever.